Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. In today's video we cover Mettupalayam station work currently going on. Mettupalayam station was built 150 years ago at the base of the Western Ghats and it's the starting point for the famous Nilgiri Mountain Railway. The station serves tourist trains, the Nilgiri Express to Chennai, a train to Pordinar and a weekly train to Tirunelveli. Even though the station is very old, it hasn't had many improvements. Now, the railways is upgrading the station with better designs, renovated buildings, and new facilities like escalators and shelters for passengers. This is part of the Amrit Bharat scheme, costing 14.82 crore rupees. Before the Model Code of Conduct came into effect, the railways also allocated 18.38 crore rupees for Mettupalayam station and 9.79 crore rupees for Karamadai station improvements. With this funding, 2 new platforms will be built at Mettupalayam station, each able to hold 24 coaches. This will give the station a total of 3 platforms. At Karamadai station, the platform will be extended to fit a train with 24 coaches, as the current platform only holds 12 coaches. The railways also plans to make Karamadai a crossing station. If these upgrades are completed as planned, more trains might start running from Mettupalayam to places like Tiruchendur and Kanyakumari. The railways has already proposed new trains from Mettupalayam to Tuticorin and Mettupalayam to Tirunelveli.